Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the error that says could not find the recovery environment when we are trying to reset the Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us open the command prompt, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab. If we type cmd, you will see the command prompt under best match coming up. So instead of clicking open or double clicking on it, please click on the run as administrator option. And then once you do that, you will see this user account control window coming up. And then once you click on yes, you will be able to proceed. So the next thing we need to do is to the next thing we need to do here is to type or paste in the black window the command that we have here, the reagentc /enable. So all we need to do is just to copy it, or you can just type it in the in this black window here. So it's reagentc we have reagentc /enable. Once done typing, just please click on enter, and it will say that the operation successful. So once you have done this, then you can now close this window. And let me just minimize this one. And please make sure that you have inserted your hard drive or USB drive, and we will make a recovery USB drive. So all we need to do in the Windows search tab, please type recovery, and you will see under best match recovery drive. So please click on that and then click on yes. And then once you do that, you will see this small window or this window coming up. This is the recovery drive. So create a recovery drive. Even if your PC can start, you can use a recovery drive to reset it or troubleshoot problems. If you back up system files to this drive, you'll also be able to use it to reinstall Windows. So just please make sure that before you proceed with this process, you have inserted already your USB drive or hard drive. Once done, please click on next, and then it will copy all the files, all the documents, and all the registries in your device to that hard drive, and then you can use that to reinstall the Windows and to reset the Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so that's it. And after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.